Yeah, they're different. They're different brood.
Yeah, they're different kind of cicada. Yeah. These are, we call them kuliglig.
Those are the 17-year ones.
Huh?
Those are the 17-year ones. Those ones only come every 17 years.
Oh, they come out every 17 years?
I think the other one you're thinking of comes out every 13 years.
Oh, they're all the same. Actually,
they're all different.
This is the first time I saw this kind of color. Alright folks, I just show you this kuliglig or cicada we call them here. That's cicada.